Lapyahan sa amihan ng pain sa Subo. Ako si Chrissy Pagubo de la Cruz, napulog siyam ang panuwigon ug mapasigarbuhong nagarepresentar sa pinakataas ug puti nga baybayon sa tibuok probinsya sa Subo, ang Garbo sa San Remigio ug ang Garbo sa Subo, ang Lapyahan Festival. So my costume is a representation of beauty and the natural resources that can be found by the sea. The centerpiece of my costume, which is the sandcastle that can be seen in my back dress, it evokes the childhood memories and the childhood memories. The lanterns serves as the guiding lights that give safety and direction to those navigating by the sea. It also gives beacon of hope and warmth, and it reminds us that Lapyahan can be a place of refuge and homecoming. And my dress, my gown, is made of real sand, seashells, and starfish from the Lapyahan beach. And my costume is a tribute to Lapyahan's importance, not just as a geographical location, but as a vibrant ecosystem that sustains stability and through my costume, I am honoring the cultural and environmental significance of the shoreline, making it more meaningful and beautiful representation of the Lapyahan Festival. Once again, I am Chrissy de la Cruz from the Lapyahan Festival. Thank you.